Hey everyone, in the previous few videos we've been looking at slicers in Power BI, and in this video we will learn how to enable the select all option for slicers. So I've got the Power BI dashboard open here with me where I've got the sales value, and I'm sort of slicing those sales value by different dimensions. So I'm slicing the sales value by the country, I'm slicing the sales value by the product, I'm slicing the value by geography and year. So I'm just going to bring a slicer on. So let me just move this a bit to the right. And what I'll do is I'll also copy this file onto GitHub and leave a link to that in the repository so you can download the file and do the tutorial along with me. So let me just go and select the product category. And I'll select English product category, and it basically just creates a table. And I'll just convert it into a slicer. So all I'll do is I'll just click on the slicer visual, and I've got the slicer. Now what I can do is I can select multiple values, but I have to press the control button and I have to go ahead and sort of select them separately. So what if I wanted to select all the values, which is possible just by double clicking this, but let's say if I wanted to have the select all option, or if the user wants the select all option. With the slicer visual selected, go to the formatting tab and click on selection controls, and then just scroll down and turn select all option on. So you can see we've got the select all option on, and let's say I click components and things have gone away, and I go and click on select all, and all of a sudden I can see all the dimensions. So this is an interesting way to enable users to sort of toggle between multiple values or select all the values. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing, and do like the videos. Cheers, bye.